I'm Shaurya's dad. I would
Hello,
like
sir.
to
How are
just
you?
add a few things, but though most of the things have
Sure,
already
sir.
been told by the previous parents. You are doing amazing job, and the kids have done amazing job, and we are kind of speechless. The kind of the programs that we saw, right from small calculations to COVID thing to outside the world. So it was really amazing, and the concepts and the confidence of the children really par excellence. And the last thing I would like to say, but very important, is the bonding that you have with the children. That's really beyond imagination. That speaks volumes of your way of conducting and handling the children, and especially during this COVID period when you don't meet each other, and most of the things have been done from different places, people from Lucknow to Bangalore to, I don't know, Vandra or Worli, I was hearing. So coordinating all these things from these places is amazing job that you have done. Our appreciations and heartiest congratulations to you and all the children for having done such an amazing job. Thank you so much, Mr. Rahul.
Thank you.
Great job, and I'm sure you will take them beyond our imagination. Already they are beyond our imagination, but I think you will take them to the current level outside what is happening in the outside world. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, sir.
yeah.
Thank you.
Nishka, Sagar here, everyone. I just wanted to add to what everyone's saying. I think uh, it's excellent to see the kids actually being in the forefront of. I mean, it's connecting two ways. One is I think the creative juice in them, it gets that going. Do you still hear me?
Yes, yes, we can hear you, sir.
So I think it's an excellent thing that you're doing in terms of bringing them, like you're saying, to what probably the industry is expecting at this young age. They're interacting with whether it's programming or the devices. I think uh, you're bringing them closer to what is probably uh, being done right now in the industry. You're at least connecting the initial dots. So it's fantastic. I think also what the kids are doing. So I think it just shows that given the right amount of, I think the ideas, these kids can then take the right path. So thank you, I think, for this. I think what we saw today, the snapshots from all the kids, it's just a nice thing in making. So looking forward to this.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and this appreciation and all you, Arpita, Avnika, Anika, Shiva, Keshav. This is for you, right? See what you have done. All right. So good job, kids. All right. Well,
Say thank you, Rahul ji. It's brilliant what you and the team have managed to pull off. It's simply awesome. The kids have done their part, but it would not be possible without you and your team. Really not.
Mother.
yes, ma'am. Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Your way of conducting, especially with so much of patience, the way you listen to each and every child, that is what has brought this. The way the students have done, definitely, that's amazing. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks and appreciate.
and they are beyond the expectations of the current world. That's what I'm looking at. They are able to demonstrate driverless drive. That is wonderful thing they have done. Thank you for excellent guidance that you are providing to the children.